Hello everybody, today we are going to show you the 3 ways you can turn on the flashlight on your iPhone 14 series device. So the first way is by swiping downwards from the right part of the status bar and tapping at the respective shortcut of the torch. And as you can see, the flashlight gets successfully activated. If you do not have the flashlight shortcut at your control center, you just gotta launch settings, enter the control center category, and in here, let's say we do not have it, scroll down to the more controls section, find the shortcut for flashlight and tap on this plus sign, and now it will be present at the control center. The second way how you can enable the torch on your iPhone is from the lock screen. So just hold on to this little icon to the left, at the left part, and as you can see, the flashlight gets activated as well. In order to, turn it off, just do the same action. The third way is by, assigning the torch activation to the double tap feature. So let's go ahead and do that. You gotta enter the accessibility category of settings. In here, go for the touch. At the very bottom of the touch page, you'll find the back tap section. In here, you can assign the torch activation and deactivation respectively, either for the double tap or triple tap action. I'll just go with double tap because it's, less work for my finger. And in here, just go for the flashlight system entry. As you can see now, it is successfully assigned. Let's test it out. So I just gotta swipe twice on the back of my phone and it's gotta work. I'm currently having the sticker at the back, so it might be the case. So let me just pull it off real quick. That is fairly odd. Already, now it's working. Great success. So this is like the approximate spot you gotta tap on, or double/triple tap on, so the shortcut will work. And just like so, we have successfully discovered the 3 methods of enabling, activating the flashlight/torch on your iPhone 14 series smartphone. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.